Hello everyone, today I'm in Brussels with Sam. Hello Sam.
Hey.
Sam is business consultant at Orange and today will tell us what is smart manufacturing and what are the challenges.
What is smart manufacturing really? I don't think there is a specific definition. What I see, there is plenty of technologies that at the production floor are of importance. Thinking about augmented vision, where you can actually with holographic views or with heads-up displays see additional information about your production floor. You can do quality inspection with cameras that are mounted on the technicians or on people on the production floor to inspect products, to inspect machines in a faster way. You can get information not anymore at your fingertips, but just at the blink of an eye to see what is the latest production status, what are the latest production reports, or where do you need to change your production. So lots of tools around the worker to make him more productive, more efficient, but also should not forget to make them more safe. There are kind of geofencing type of applications or geopositioning applications where people keep distance from each other, where people are not allowed to enter in specific areas. So also that, I think, around the worker is smart manufacturing. But thinking then about your production facilities itself, the machines, if you buy production machines or production installation nowadays, they're smarter anyhow. They have more sensors, they've got more data, and you can do more analysis already. Now the challenge is integrate that with older equipment, but also there are solutions to add, and I just put it quite simple, just add additional sensors. Of course it's a bit more difficult than that, but add more sensors and actually monitor and measure your machines, measure your production, measure the surroundings, and combine with other data. You also get smart manufacturing. What I also should not forget is the whole automation, robotization. We talk about automated guided vehicles, we talk about drones, we talk about automated logistics. So plenty of different technologies that are available to make your factory smart. The challenge is deciding where you invest in and deciding what type of smart technology that you're going to implement, adopted by your users and adopted by your workforce. Because you should not forget your digital maturity. The digital maturity of your company, digital maturity of your people, and also the amount of data and amount of digitalization already available. So I think these are elements that play an important role when you decide to go for a smart factory.
Thank you Sam for your inputs and see you next week for a new Tech Trends topic.